क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है। ए पार्ट बोलो किए स्टेट एंड एक्सप्लेन कूलम्स लॉ। कितना मिलता जुलता है ये? एनालॉगस टू व्हाट? एनालॉगस टू yes gravitation law, Newton's law of gravitation। वो क्या कहता सी? if there are two masses separated by distance r, as per gravitation law the force is proportional to m1 m2 r square। this was for masses, but Coulomb's law is for charges। if there are two charges q1, second one बोलो q2, separated by distance r, then force is proportional to q1 q2, that is product of charges, inversely proportional to r square। now the question of constant of proportionality। ਇਹਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੋ, पहले gravitation ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। law of gravitation and this constant proportionality was कितना सी बोलो? कैपिटल जी। ये constant of proportionality क्यों लगाया जाता है? इक्वल टू कैपिटल जी लिखा, उसका की सिग्निफिकेंस है, व्हाट इज द यूज? और यू कैन से एडवांटेज, इफ इट इज नॉट देयर देन व्हाट? इतना तक ठीक है बस। इफ यू डोंट फाइंड कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शनलिटी, व्हाट इज द ड्रॉबैक? इतना तक ठीक है। अगर मैं नहीं पता करता कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शनलिटी, व्हाट इज द डिसएडवांटेज? बिकॉज समटाइम इट टेक्स इयर्स टू फाइंड आउट दिस कांस्टेंट प्रोपोर्शनलिटी। एग्जैक्ट वैल्यू नहीं पता लगेगी, न्यूमेरिकल वैल्यू नहीं पता लगेगी। एग्जाम्पल इज, फॉर एग्जाम्पल to explain constant proportionality, if we say bill, रेस्टोरेंट ਤੁਸੀਂ ਗਏ, ਉੱਥੇ कुछ बिल बनता है, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ अगर एक पिज़्ज़ा खावांगे होगा कुछ बिल बनेगा। if you take 2 pizzas then the amount, the bill is double। you take 3 pizzas then it is 3 times, but still it doesn't serve the purpose। ਤੁਸੀਂ पैसे कितने दोगे? how much money you will hand over? इन्हें पर्पज नहीं सर्व होया। क्यों? बिल is proportional to number of pizzas, but this constant of proportionality, say it is ₹100 per pizza, number of pizzas। हुण बोलो, हुण बिल बनता है? yes। if you buy one pizza, ₹100 into 1 कितना बन गया? 100 rupees bill। if it is 2, 200। now answer this question, if you don't have this value then you can't deal, you won't have a numerical value how much money is to be exchanged। with this one, if you have up to this, if you are up to this only, then you cannot find numerical value of force। you can find, this is example you will write, this example you will write at your own, not now, after a few minutes, just to explain you the constant of proportionality। so in gravitation it is what? capital G m1 m2 by r square। in this case bolo this value in your syllabi in free space in air, this value is fixed 9 into 10 raised to power 9 for the free space। for 99% of the numericals, this value remains 1। but when you write it like this, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught for free space, and its value is 9 into 10 raised to power 9 for free space। so it is first free space, for any material, for medium, for any medium, the formula is F is equal to 1 by 4 by epsilon naught, epsilon r, q1, q2 by r square. What is this epsilon r equal to? Yes, this epsilon r is equal to relative permittivity. Example, for water, epsilon r is equal to 1. Means what? If there are two charges placed in air, there is a force between the two. If you shift the whole arrangement to water, the force is not same. Force changes. First part. 2. If epsilon r is equal to 81, earlier suppose this force, let me say this force was 81. Now, when you put this value equal to 81, it is 81 divided by 81. The force comes out to what? 1 Newton. So, competition question is, if there are two charges placed in space, force between the two is 81 Newton. If you shift it to water, the new force is equal to what? Answer is 1 Newton. That means if you shift it to oil, force will be different. If you shift it to other material, force will be different. Will depend on what? Epsilon r. But 99% of the numericals in your syllabus, epsilon r to be taken equal to 1. Free space. So the law is analogous to law of gravitation. Force is proportional to m1 m2 by r square. Capital G, constant of proportionality. Value below 6.67 times per minus 11. What do you call this as? Universal. The value universal, the value remains same throughout. Gravitational, these are the gravitation. Constant, this value is constant. Here, on the same grounds, F is proportional to what? Product of a charge is inversely proportional to square of distance. And free space, F is equal to some constant q1 q2 by r square. This constant value is what? 9 times per 9. For medium, for water, oil, this value is epsilon r permittivity. It is different for different materials. किधे वर्ग है 81 यूनिट्स नहीं है, dimensions नहीं है. Like a relative density. Relative density क्यों दी है यार? Ratio. किधे ratio बोलो? Density of material divided by density of water. Example, iron the density कितनी होती है? In comparison to water, density of iron. More or less, first question. Iron is denser than water, correct or not? How many times denser? 6 times denser, approximately 6 times denser. So what is the relative density of iron? 6. So relative density की दस दोनों? It is how many times denser than water. Now you have 5 minutes to write it. Yes, here epsilon naught is permittivity of free space. Its complete significance, chapter number 1D. Here it is only a constant. Full significance in chapter 1D. Professor, करेंगे. No, 1 by 4 for epsilon naught is 9 times per 9. In case your question epsilon naught is equal to 1, then 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 times per 9. You can find out the value of epsilon naught. It will come out to be, yes, 8.854 into 10 per minus 12. But because we use this part for numericals, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, as it is, that is what is convenient to write. 5 minutes to write question number 5, A part. No, epsilon r is, this is just an example for water. Epsilon r is equal to 6 for mica, 7 for some other material. Its value is different for different materials. B part, yes. बोलो B part की है. Yes, now you have to compare the two. We have already compared to give you a reference so that you understand. Point wise. You have to compare. Yes, बोलो केड़ा केड़ा. Coulomb's law, you have to compare it with what? Newton's law of gravitation. Total how many points are there? 5. First बोलो की है. First is F is proportional to, the law itself, F is proportional to Q1 Q2 by R square. What about this one? F is proportional to M1 M2 by R square. This law deals with the charges and Newton's law deals with the masses. 1. 2. F can be, बाद च लिखना, समझ लो पहले, ठीक है, टाइम देना है लिखने वास्ते. 2. F can be attractive or repulsive. How? Yes, one is positive charge, the other is negative charge. बोलो की बनेगा attractive. Positive, another positive. बोलो की बनेगा repulsive. It can be attractive or repulsive. Attractive कदों? Dissimilar charges. Repulsive, positive positive or negative negative. In this case, yes, बोलो, between two masses, only attractive. Only attractive, because there is no concept of a negative mass. Point number 3, Fx, force acts along the line joining the centers of the two. Suppose one is positive charge, the other is negative charge. If you allow them to move, then they move along which line? They move along the line joining the centers of the two. That is why, what do you call this force as? Central force. Means it moves, the particles move along the line joining the centers of the two. For masses also this is true. If you have two masses, the two objects move along the line joining the center of the two. As an example, if you allow this to fall freely, the motion देखो, किधर जा रहा है? Towards center of earth, that is earth. Ball, the ball moves along the line joining the center of the ball and earth. फिर तो एक्सपेरिमेंट ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਹੈ, ਜਨਰਲ ਆਬਜ਼ਰਵੇਸ਼ਨ ਹੈ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਿਹਾ ਇਟ ਸਟਾਰਟਸ ਫਰਮ ਹੇਅਰ ਮੂਵਸ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਜਾਵੇ ਫਿਰ ਚੱਕਰ ਕੱਢ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਵਾਪਸ ਆ ਜਾਏ ਫਿਰ ਇੱਥੇ ਆ ਕੇ ਫਿਰ ਪਿਘਲ ਜਾਏ, ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈ। along the line joining the center with 2. So this force is what? Central force. 3 minutes to write. 3 minutes to write these 3 points. Fourth point is, yes, देखो, fourth point, we have taken into account 3 points, fourth point is, बोलो की है, F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught for free space q1 q2 by r square. For any other material, yes, it is what? Epsilon r, and this parameter depends on material. It is different for different materials. For free space, this value is 1. For air, this value is 1.00 something, but we take it this value to be 1. What about this one? F is equal to capital G m1 m2 by r square. This value of G is what? 6.67 in 10 to the power minus 11. Depends on material or not? No. Universal gravitational constant. Last. Charge 1 Q1, charge 2 Q2. Suppose in the diagram they marked as, yes, what do you say? One is positive, the other is negative. Attractive force hai. Suppose it is positive, this is negative. This force on 1 due to 2. Force on 2 due to 1. Magnitude, yes, same. Direction, opposite. So, F12 is equal to minus F21. What about this one? 2 masses, M1, second mass is M2. How do you write force on this? Force on 1 due to 2, due to second. What about this one? Force on second due to 1. These two forces are equal and opposite. Two minutes to write point number 4 and 5. Now we will have some numericals. बुक हैगी है तो बहुत अच्छी गल है, शेयर कर लो, चेंज कर लो पोजीशन. होमवर्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 करांगे न्यूमेरिकल 4 5 6 8. सॉरी, अगला क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 कितना ना होमवर्क किमें करांगे. यस, राइट साइड पे लिखांगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 राइट साइड पे लिखांगे. न्यूमेरिकल कितने करांगे होमवर्क रजिस्टर पे. ठीक है, बुक खोल लो. बुक नहीं हैगी शेयर कर लो किसी को. अगर मैं लिखवा देना क्वेश्चन तुम हल थोड़े को है बुक बेटा. वॉल्यूम 1 लैके आना. लिखो फिर, कोई गल नहीं, क्वेश्चन लिखो. न्यूमेरिकल 4 लिखो. कैलकुलेट. बुक नहीं है तो लिख लो. कैलकुलेट कूलम फोर्स बिटवीन 2 alpha particles separated by distance 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15. 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15. Calculate. What you have to find out? Force. So you have to find out force between 2 alpha particles. Q. Alpha particle means positive charge. Kinna? Yes. How much? 1 alpha particle has how much charge? Alpha particles means helium nucleus. कितना आएगा बोलो? 2e प्लस 2e. ठीक है. Q इज इक्वल टू 2e प्लस Distance between the two, 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 meter. Procedure क्या है किसे problem solve करना? First, understand the problem. Write what is given, what is required. Then think of the concept and the formula, mathematical model. Solution. F, yes, formula बोलो. F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Material is not mentioned, that means it is what? Free space, or you can say air. This is something which you have to find out. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught the value below. Charge below. 2E, 2 into E below 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19. Q, this is also Q square. R given 3.2 into 10 raised to power minus 15 square. Solve करके दे सकते हैं. Comes out to what? 90 Newton. कर लो कैलकुलेशन करो. आ गया आंसर. इजी है. दिस इज ऑल्सो 3.2. दिस इज ऑल्सो 3.2. 3.2 स्क्वायर 3.2 स्क्वायर की हो जाएंगे कैंसर. Numerical number 5. The question is, you can write what equal charges would have to be placed on Earth and Moon to neutralize their gravitational attraction. Mass of Earth 10^25 kg. Mass of Moon 10^23 kg. Explain the problem. Yes. How many objects are there? 2. One is Earth. Second is Moon. The two attract or repel? Yes, attract. Because of mass, they have force of attraction. And that force of attraction is gravitational. Question की है. If you place equal charge, let me say plus Q, and a plus q. Now they will repel because of electric force of repulsion. The term used is neutralize. How much charge to be placed on Earth and Moon so that this gravitational force is neutralized by electric force of repulsion. When you say neutral, means equal and opposite effect. Net force acting is 0. That means we start with what is given? Yes, mass of Earth is given, mass of Moon is given. What do you have to find out? What is the distance between the two? Not given because it is not required. Yes. How much charge? Earth mass bolo. Concept. Yes. Electric force magnitude is equal to gravitational force magnitude. Formula below. This we have covered in +1. This we are covering at present in this chapter +2. Below. This is what? Yes, capital G, mass of Earth, mass of Moon by R square. This one, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, Q1, Q2 by R square. R square both sides, that is why R is not given. This value is what? 9 into 10 power 9. This is what? Sorry. This is Q square, R square cancel. Capital G, yes. 6.67, 10 to the power minus 11. Mass of Earth, yes, given 10 to the power 25. Mass of Moon, 10 to the power 23. Find value of Q. कर दो सॉल्व. Answer please. Is equal to 8.6 into 10 to the power 13 कूलम. आंसर आ गया. बहुत अच्छी गलत नहीं आया था कैलकुलेट कर जाके कर लेना. न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 8 लिखो जिन्हें कोल बुक हैगी है. न्यूमेरिकल नंबर 8, 2 particles each of mass 5 grams and charge 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. Stay in limiting equilibrium charge I have given 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. Stay in limiting equilibrium, yeah, limiting equilibrium on a horizontal table with a separation of 10 centimeter between them. Full stop. The coefficient of friction between each particle and table is same. Full stop. Find value of coefficient of friction. Go through the question and draw the diagram to explain what the problem is. फिर तो बोल देना क्वेश्चन किसने नहीं लिखा था. Two particles each having a mass of 5 grams and charge 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb stay in limiting equilibrium on a horizontal table with a separation of 10 centimeter between them. The coefficient of friction between each particle and the table is same. Find coefficient of friction. Diagram draw karo and explain the problem. How many particles are there? 2. Particle number 1 and particle number 2. Charge on each Q. कितना charge बोलो? 10 raised to power minus 7 coulomb. Say positive. Because of this charge, they will repel. They will have a force. Which one? Electric force of repulsion. If the two are separated by distance r, there is electric force of repulsion. They should move away like this. जानते नहीं पर क्वेश्चन च लिखा है इक्विलिब्रियम का मतलब होता है यस कोई गल थोड़ा सा करेक्शन करना पड़ेगा. इक्विलिब्रियम मीन्स net force acting is 0. You can see there is a force acting on the particle to the right. Left कितनी force लगती है फिर दे? Friction. If you are trying to move it to the right, the floor offers frictional force opposite to that. If you are trying to move this object to the left, friction किधर लग रहा है? Towards right. These two forces are equal and opposite. That is why what you have to find out is new mass bolo kitna 5 grams means 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3 kg. Distance between the two bolo 10 centimeter means 0.1 meter. That means पहले प्रॉब्लम समझांगे कॉन्सेप्ट तो फार्मूला लिखांगे कि ये फार्मूला फ्रिक्शनल फोर्स मैग्नीट्यूड is equal to electric force magnitude. We have covered this part. Friction is equal to what? If there is an object lays on the floor, nu is the coefficient of friction. Frictional force is equal to what? Nu times R. R is equal to mg. So first step is, बोलो क्या आया? Nu mg. Electric force, बोलो 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q Q2 over R square. चेक करते हैं what is given, what is required. M given है, G is known to you 9.8, we'll write 10. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is what? Q 10 is power minus 7, 10 is power minus 7, R is equal to 0.1. So the only unknown is nu. Nu M बोलो 5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. G below 10. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to what? 9 times per 9. Charge 10 raised to power minus 7. Second charge is also 10 raised to power minus 7. R 0.1 means what? 10 raised to power minus 1 square. Find nu. Solve करके आंसर दो भाई. Find value of nu. पता करना है, सॉल्व करके कंफर्म करो ये आंदा है कि नहीं आंदा.